Hello and welcome to Akshu's Kitchen. Today we will see how to prepare mutton chukka or lamb chukka, for which we will need the following ingredients to serve approximately 2 to 3 people. 500 grams of goat fillets or lamb fillets cut into small pieces. 1 cup of small onions peeled, approximately 200 to 250 grams. 1 large tomato, 7 to 8 small cloves of garlic, a 1-inch size piece of ginger, 2 to 3 whole red chilies and some curry leaves for flavoring, 3/4 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 3/4 teaspoon of salt, 3/4 teaspoon to 1 teaspoon of curry masala powder. The recipe you can find in Akshu's Kitchen channel on YouTube, and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds or whole jeera seeds. First I am going to cook the mutton, either the lamb or the goat, along with half of the peeled onions, and also add the 1 large tomato, cut it into 4 big pieces and add. If you don't get this small onions, you can use the regular large onion. Use 2 medium sized onion. Use 1 onion here, and you can reserve the other onion instead of the half cup of small onions. Now along with this we am going to add only the turmeric powder and the salt, and I am going to cook it with some water. Add around about 1 cup of water and let it cook until the mutton is soft and tender. Cook it until 80 to 85% done. It really depends upon the specification of the vessels you are using, the time required. Cook it according to your vessel. Just cook it until 8 to done, and once it is done, open it, check it and keep it aside. We will be using. Meanwhile, I have crushed the ginger and garlic into a fine paste, and also the remaining small onions into a fine paste separately. If you are not having the small onion, grind the 1 medium sized onion into a fine paste. Next, in a pan, add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil, and when it is hot, add the crushed ginger and garlic paste and fry it for a minute until the moisture in the ginger and garlic paste is absorbed. And immediately I am going to add the whole red chilies by tearing it into 2, each chili into 2 pieces. And also at this stage I am going to add the curry leaves and saute them well for a few seconds. And then to this mixture I am going to add the small onion paste, or the 1 big onion paste, is the onion reserved, and fry it until it reduces in size and gets cooked well and all the moisture is absorbed. And now it's all done. At this stage I am going to add the remaining spice powders, that is the chili powder, coriander powder, curry masala powder and the cumin seeds, and again give them a good mix. Let it get fried in the oil, and then I am going to add the cooked mutton along with the stock in it and allow it to come to a boil, and allow it to simmer in medium flame until all the moisture in the gravy is absorbed. You can see it has come to a boil. Now I have been cooking this for about 4 to 5 minutes, and you can see it has become thick. So if you want in this texture, you can stop at this stage and mutton chukka is ready. If you want it to be roasted and dried well, allow it for another 4 to 5 minutes like this, and you will get a dry mutton chukka will be ready. This is a very authentic and famous South Indian side dish. This goes well with rice, chapatis and rotis. Try it and you will really like it. Thank you for watching Akshu's Kitchen.